To safely share the road with bicyclists, drivers should remain patient and avoid tailgating. In this scenario, we are approaching a curve with a bicyclist on the road. Do not attempt to pass a bicyclist while on a curve, as you cannot see any oncoming traffic. Instead, wait until you have cleared the curve and checked for oncoming vehicles. After ensuring it is safe, check your mirrors and blind spots. When it is safe to do so, you may overtake the bicyclist, allowing a minimum of 3 feet of space between your vehicle and the bicyclist. Now let's take a look at another scenario. Here we have a bicyclist on the road, and there is an oncoming vehicle. In this case, drivers should remain patient and keep a safe following distance from the bicyclist. Drivers should wait for the oncoming vehicle to pass before checking their mirrors and blind spots. After ensuring it is safe to proceed, they should move into the center of the road to maintain a minimum distance of 3 feet between their vehicle and the bicyclist. And always remember to check your rear view and driver's side mirror before opening your car door when parking on the street. This ensures no vehicles or pedestrians are approaching from behind, helping you avoid obstructing their path and causing a collision.